Hey fam, Dr. Rick here with a self-massage tutorial for relief of jaw pain and tension headaches caused by tight muscles. If you haven't watched the previous videos in the Bruxism relief series, jump just up here and have a watch. Otherwise, let's get started. Now, before we go any further, just a couple of safety notes. If you get started and your face is just too sore for these exercises, watch the Bruxism relief video and try some of the home remedies or talk to your dentist or physiotherapist. Self-massage really should be done consciously and gently. You're not going to fix everything in one session, and pulling or pushing too hard can actually damage your jaw joint. You should only massage to the point of feeling the stretch, but not pain. Now, if you do these exercises regularly, ideally every single day, it'll bring relief to those sore jaw muscles, it'll decrease the frequency or even completely resolve tension headaches, it'll improve the function of your jaw joint, it'll prevent osteoarthritis, it'll even improve the appearance of your smile. Okay guys, you need your massage oil of choice. I'm going to go give my hands a quick wash and we'll get started. Now for all these exercises, you should be sitting up nice and tall with a straight back and relaxed shoulders. We'll be doing exercises to stretch out the muscles, relax soft tissue, and begin to break up knots or trigger points. Exercise 1, stretching out the temporalis.
Yeah, it looks a little bit weird, and obviously you want to make sure that your hands are clean, but you're pulling directly downwards with your fingers just on the tops of your bottom front teeth. You want to relax your muscles as much as you can, 10 seconds per round. So round 2 now. Your mouth will probably want to stretch away from your fingers, just let it relax as much as possible. Same thing. As you pull, you'll likely feel tension radiating into your temple area, just on the sides of the head there. Keep pulling down very gently and release. One more round together. Straight down. Make sure you remember to keep your chin up. Don't let it collapse downwards towards your chest. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that feels really good. Masseter soft tissue massage. So we're going to sit up really nice and straight again. You tilt your head forward very slightly. Get a little bit of oil.
So locate the muscle generally. It's just underneath that cheekbone there. Clench your teeth together and you'll feel the muscle flex. Relax your jaw and massage that area. Gentle circular motions. Beautiful. Coming to the end of that first round. Take a break. Another 10 seconds. And then we'll pause. And again.
All right, temporalis soft tissue massage. Same thing again. You want to be sitting upright with your feet flat on the floor. Your fingertips just a little bit higher than your cheekbone and your ear. And you want to clench just so you can feel the bit that moves. That's the bit that you want to be massaging at the front here. So we're going to go at the front here for 10 seconds. And then we're going to move back a little bit. So we've been in this front part of the temporalis. We'll move to the middle part just above your ear here. You'll still feel it move a little bit when you clench. I'm going to do the same thing. Just for 10 seconds. And then we're going to move to the third spot. Just at the back here, above your ear. Also moves when you clench. And another 10 seconds there. All right, so we're going to do those three another 3 times, and we'll move on to exercise number 4. Oh yeah, temporalis soft tissue massage. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Middle area above the ear. 1, 3, 10, and 1, 4. Again at the front. Feel where. Last one. 1, 3. Oh, that actually felt awesome. All right, exercise number 4 is our Masseter trigger point release. Now, trigger point massages are a bit firmer and you're just stopping in one spot. So again, we're going to sit up nice and straight. We're going to tilt our head forward very slightly, and we're going to put our index finger just beneath that little bit of bone there, just beneath your cheekbone. Now you're going to put firm pressure into this spot, and it will feel tender. Now try to make sure you keep your jaw as relaxed as you can. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then relax. I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can do it here. So again, cheekbone here, and that's the tight spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. I'm going to further back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. Number 5, chimp face. This one's a lot of fun, and it does make sure that there's no residual tension in your face. So again, we're going to sit up really nice and straight. Take a deep breath in through your nose.
Puff up your cheeks, hold for 2 seconds, and blow out with an audible sigh. While you're holding, feel where there might be a little bit of tension, making it difficult to relax your cheeks enough to blow them up like a balloon, and take a mental note of it. I'm doing this 5 times in a row. Deep breath in, full puff out.
And now for our final relaxation exercise. It's a little bit cute. It's called musical relaxation. Same thing, sitting up nice and straight. And you're going to consciously relax your jaw and hum the letter N while keeping your jaw relaxed. Okay guys, you are now equipped with the knowledge to improve your facial tension drastically. It's just a matter of discipline and diligence completing these exercises daily to get your facial tension under control. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you're all staying healthy, safe, and smiling. We'll talk soon. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you got something out of this video or if you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends. Otherwise, there's much more on our channel right here. There's another one there, and there's one more right there. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Keep smiling.